Hello everyone, it's now 1 week left to the Odin 7-day jam. If you haven't heard of this before, it's a game jam, so you make a video game and it's 7 days long. And the Odin part of it is that you use the Odin programming language. If you would like to join, then there's a link to the itch jam page in the description of this video. The game jam will run from March 8th to March 15th. It will start at 6 p.m. Central European time. If you're having trouble knowing exactly when that is in your local time, I have linked the intro live stream. So there will be a live stream just when the game jam starts. And I've already put that live stream up. So you can go there and look at the countdown for when it will start. And that live stream will happen like 30 minutes before the actual start of the game jam. During that live stream, I will go through some things on how to get started with Odin for the beginners, and also at the end of the live stream, just when the jam actually starts at 6 p.m. Central European time, I will announce the theme of the game jam. And the theme is something that you must incorporate into your game in some way, but you are very welcome to interpret the theme in a creative way, so you don't need to take it too literally. But yeah, you will see what the theme is just when it starts. If you watch the original announcement of this game jam, I talked a bit about that I would only consider games that have a web build. I've changed that stuff. So you make a game for 7 days and then you just upload it for any platform, just whatever you're comfortable with. Just make your game in that way. You put that up on itch. And then instead of me going through and trying to play all the games, there will be 8 days of voting. So when the game jam ends on March 15th, there will be 8 days from March 15th to March 23. The participants of the game jam can vote. They can play the games and vote on which one they like the most. And when the voting ends at 6 p.m. CET on March 23rd, then I will, at that time, do a live stream and play the top 10 games, and also award the winner with a little prize. So I hope you all can join. That would be super fun. Like I said, there's a link to the itch page in the description of this video. Go there and sign up for the game jam. We already have 100 participants registered and we have a week to go, so it would be super cool to, who knows, maybe we'll get 200. We had 160 on the previous game jam, so I'm hoping to at least beat that, and I think we're on track to do that. See you on March 8th. Bye bye.